camera kind of dusty. I ain't been here in a while. What's up, y'all? It's me. Me. Yo, it's me, did it?
I want you to tell me what it's supposed to do.
This is an unboxing.
Okay.
We're gonna get to that.
So I'm find out with them.
Yeah.
I don't know what they do.
No. But y'all, I was in Dollar General. And my room be so hot, y'all. And y'all know how y'all had them parents that don't want you to.
I'm not into
it. So you know how you have those parents and they don't want you to touch their air conditioner. They want you to leave it off, or they don't want you touching it at all. It either be too cold or too hot in the house. So my room, no matter how cold the rest of the house is, it's always hot. So your girl found this. Mind you, I also saw this on TikTok, but I just so happened to see it in Dollar General. Y'all, it's a mini air conditioner.
Oh,
like, what is you talking about? I found a mini air conditioner, y'all. I gotta see what this do because I gotta see if this really works. So this was $20. I know it's way too much for a little air conditioner, but
especially $8.
I wasn't at Dollar Tree, I was at Dollar General.
Dollar General shouldn't got that much. It's called
Dollar General. Dollar General be expensive.
You
Yes. Sadly to say.
information.
So they say y'all can use it when y'all exercise, when y'all sleep, use it when y'all outside. Because sometimes it be too hot to prosper. When y'all in your office and at work. Sorry. Okay, so right here, I just wanted to freeze frame it and show y'all just like, you know, the different things included in the box and what you're supposed to have. Pause it, read it. It has an air filter, a built-in humidifier, a USB cable. Hopefully it's Bluetooth. It don't say it's Bluetooth, but hopefully that means it's Bluetooth.
So it's a speaker?
No, I think it's just a regular air conditioner. And it includes one, in the box you should have a mini air conditioner cooler, a 4-foot USB cable, and a washable air filter. I like that it's washable because ain't nobody finna be going to the store and buying all them filters. Yeah, air cooler. What you talking about? So the air cooler is portable. It's maybe about the size of like a girl's hand, maybe. A little smaller than a dude's hand. They also have like what to do on the side right here, so I'm guessing we're gonna have to put water in it. So by seeing that on the outside of the box, get my water bottle ready. But let me clear this desk off so I can show y'all exactly how it works. Yo, look at this. It's so small. And then you have your buttons up top with a few compartments. I don't know what these compartments are for. Oh, yes it is. That's where my charger is. So this is the water tank door. I guess this is where we're gonna put the water. These are the mode indicator lights. I guess the 1 through 3 they were talking about. This is the power fan or the speed button. I guess how fast you want the how fast or how hard you want your air to come out. This is your light on and off button because it did say it had an LED light. It says your power port is back here, which I'm guessing is this little hole right here. That's where the cord that you have is going to go into. This is your USB 4-feet power cable. My cousin found the filter up in here. This is your washable filter, air direction tabs, cool access drawer, which is what this is. First, to get our USB cord together. Then pull out my filter. Oh, you can put it in a dishwasher. You can wash with your hands. And it say, if you see mold or it smell musty, soak it in water and vinegar for like 45 to 60 minutes. And then rinse with warm water and let it dry like overnight or whatever. You don't want to put it back in there wet. So the next thing they want us to do is, it say, pre-soak the filter under cold water, wet filter in the freezer for 30 minutes to an hour. Once chilled, place the filter back in the unit. We're gonna run cold water over this and we're gonna put it in the freezer and we'll come right back. Y'all, it's literally like 3 days later. I was so sorry, but let's get back to it. We put the filter in the freezer for, you're supposed to put it in there for like an hour or 2, but we put it in there for like 3 days. So hopefully it lasts a little longer because it's been in there longer. This is nice. Well, it's definitely summer. If you outside and you burning to death, it is like summertime. Like this would definitely cool you off. It's like a big water fan type of. I give this machine maybe an 8.5 on the grade scale.
$20. I give it a 6.
$20 in here and blow that good. I was at Dollar General and I found it for $20, y'all. So I did see it on TikTok and stuff like for cheaper on like the little ads and stuff. So maybe if you talk about it a little bit, it'll pop up on your TikTok. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and remember, it's me, Vee.